Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping tools and protecting yourself. Turn off HVAC power, remove vent covers, and note screw locations so reassembly is quick. Once done, attach the blaster to the vacuum and secure the first brush and extension rod. Test on low to confirm suction and rotation. You want a snug hose seal to prevent dust blowback, so make adjustments now. This brief startup reduces mess and lets you move into the ducts with confidence, avoiding interruptions mid-clean. You feed the brush into the duct slowly, extending 3 to 6 feet into the main trunk while maintaining a steady hold. Once the brush is in place, run the blaster at medium power and advance 1 to 2 feet per pass, then retract to agitate and loosen buildup. Repeating this motion dislodges settled dust. Make sure to reach side branches by angling extension rods and performing multiple passes until the vacuum output runs clear. This method clears deposits without stressing the ductwork. You finish by wiping surrounding surfaces and reinstalling vent covers, then run the HVAC system for 5 to 10 minutes to flush remaining fine dust through the filter. Make sure to replace or clean the HVAC filter and verify improved airflow at each vent. If something goes wrong, if the brush jams or binds, stop power immediately, reverse or slowly withdraw the brush, and clear the obstruction. Resuming without clearing risks damage. This final check ensures a clean system and prevents future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.